Hello, I'm Jonathan Stallick, and I've been asked to give a talk by the Homeopathic Collective in Greenhithe in southeast London uh, on bird remedies. That's remedies for humans, of course, not for birds. It's an area which I found particularly fascinating. Bird remedies have been increasingly explored. Originally, perhaps we had the bald-headed eagle, Haliaeetus leucocephalus, and Falco peregrinus, the peregrine falcon. They were the sort of the two stalwart bird remedies that we use. But increasingly, we've explored more and more of the birds, and they've proved incredibly useful in our clinical practice. So in this talk, I'll be exploring some perhaps more unusual remedies that you may not have come across. For example, Gavia imma, the common loon. Also, the Himalayan vulture. I had a particularly interesting case where I used that. And plus, there's the owl remedies and the swans. And so we'll be looking into some of these, and hopefully they'll be inspiring and lead to great clinical use in your practice. So do come along. It's on Thursday, the 10th of July. Starts at 7:30, and you can book your tickets. I think through Eventbrite, but I'm sure there'll be a link attached to this video where you can book your ticket. Only £20. It's a bargain. See you there. Bye bye.